Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSPACE and this is another weekly tech tip. Today's tech tip is on Zoho CRM and the Zoho CRM Marketplace. So the Marketplace is the first place you can go to activate extensions for Zoho CRM. So one of the beauties of Zoho and Zoho CRM in particular is that they have lots of apps that you can connect to it. And there's lots of apps in the Zoho suite that you can connect to Zoho CRM, but they also have the Zoho Marketplace where you can connect third-party apps to it. And the Marketplace is the easiest way to do that without having to use any sort of external third-party integration tools. Okay, so on my screen here you can see I'm in the Marketplace here. So to get to that, we're in the Zoho CRM and we go to Settings in the top right. And then down here is Marketplace. We click on All. Okay, and this shows you all the apps here. So the best way to think of this, it's very similar to the App Store that Apple has. That's just the Zoho equivalent. Okay, so if you know the particular app that you're after, you can use the search up in the top right, or you've also got these filters here. So there's free and there's paid apps. So let's say we like to look at the Zoom extension. So we'll just search for it. Okay, then we can click on it. Okay, and this is the information about this extension. So it's got the name here, who's developed it. So this one was built by Zoho. How many installs it's got a rating as well. So the main things I would look at when I'm looking at an app here to potentially install it. I just want to make sure that it does exactly what I need. So I can see the features here. So it's got the meeting invites, sharing recordings. I can have a look at the screenshots just to make sure I know what it will do. And then I'll have a quick look at the ratings. So this one's only got 3 stars, but there aren't a lot of ratings there and there's no comments, so I don't have a lot of information there. Some of them have more than this. And then just see if it's a free app or it's a paid app. So that's mentioned over on the right hand side here. So this one's free, so I can activate this straight away. So if I just click activate, that will install this app straight into my CRM system. And once it's installed, because it's Zoom, it'll ask me to authenticate, and that just means I need to log in with my Zoom username and password so it can connect. And then it ties the two apps together. So it's as simple as that. Once it's installed, it appears in the installed tab up here. You can see, so that's my list of installed apps already. And you've got the settings there if you need to change something later on or uninstall them. And then you've also got updates there. So if there's any updates, it will let you update them from this screen over here. Okay, well I hope that's been useful for you, and I'll see you next time.